To add your USAA credit card to Apple Pay, start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of iOS installed. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a new card. Next, select credit or debit card and tap Continue. Then use your device's camera to capture the card information or enter it manually. If your USAA credit card is not automatically detected, you may need to select it from a list of available cards or enter the information manually. After entering your card information, you will be prompted to verify your card with USAA. This may involve calling USAA or receiving a verification code via email or text message. Once your card is verified, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using your USAA credit card with Apple Pay. Once you have agreed to the terms, your USAA credit card will be added to Apple Pay and you can start using it to make payments. To use your USAA credit card with Apple Pay, simply open the Wallet app, select your card, and hold your device near the contactless payment terminal. You can also use Apple Pay with other devices, such as your Apple Watch, by opening the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, selecting the Wallet and Apple Pay option, and following the prompts to add your USAA credit card. It is essential to note that you must have a compatible device and be in a location where Apple Pay is accepted to use this service. Additionally, you should always keep your device and account information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily add your USAA credit card to Apple Pay and start enjoying the convenience and security of contactless payments. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of using your USAA credit card with Apple Pay, and to keep your account information up to date to ensure a smooth and secure payment experience.